Hi everyone, and welcome to the digital world premiere of the all-new Mercedes-Benz T-Class. This new model takes Mercedes-Benz into the private small van segment. To help understand why the all-new T-Class is the right vehicle for families, sporty types, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs lots of space to carry all the things that make them happy, I'm joined today by 8 members of our team, experts who have worked on the T-Class in the recent past. They bring lots of insights into the T-Class's design, connectivity, and safety. So please sit back and enjoy the new T-Class.
Can you do this?
I can do that.
Now can you do this? Can you do this?
What's special about the design?
I like the contrast between the functionality provided by the huge interior space and the sporty look of the exterior.
In this car, it's all about space. Still, we added shoulders and wheel flares to the car to give it an amazing stance.
The 16 and 17-inch wheels are a perfect match for the car. And chrome elements like the grille and the rear slide make it even more special.
I love the variety of colors. My favorite is the very elegant ruby-lit red metallic.
What about the interior?
The all-new T-Class equals compact dimensions with high quality, comfort and amazing versatility.
The T-Class is great for families too. You can install child seats on all passenger seats. And the sliding doors open really wide, which makes it easy to get in and out.
Later on, there will also be a long wheelbase version with up to 7 seats for even more family or friends.
And I love how the ambient lighting with 8 colors changes the complete atmosphere.
Can you do this? Can you do this? I know you think that you can move, but can you move the way I move?
So basically, the perfect vehicle for everyday life?
Absolutely. The T-Class offers the perfect combination of driving fun and efficient engines. And another highlight, an electrical version will also be available later on.
And don't forget the speed-dependent electric power steering and the comfortable suspension. Ideal for long journeys and smooth city travel.
And if you can't find your T-Class, the Mercedes Me app can find it for you.
Can you do this? Can you do this, baby? Can you do this? I can do that. Can you do this? Can you put it on down? Now can you do this?
How smart is the T-Class?
Amazingly smart. Connectivity is a big plus. Seamless smartphone integration and the mbworld multimedia system are great for everyone.
You can work it all via touchscreen or the control buttons on your steering wheel.
And because the T-Class is a true Mercedes, it is available with the Hey Mercedes intelligent voice control.
Let's not forget safety. The T-Class comes with a lot of driver assistance systems. 7 airbags as standard, including a center airbag between the driver and the passenger seat, are pretty special as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Mercedes-Benz T-Class. Thank you all for joining us today.
It can do that.